In today's video, I will be making Chatpata Egg Curry, so let's start. Boil some eggs and fry them in hot oil. Add some turmeric powder and some salt. Fry them till golden brown. Three onions finely sliced. Ginger garlic paste, one chilli and few elachi. In a clean pan, add some oil. Gas flame to the low and put all the ingredients in the hot oil. All the ingredients are taken into the pan and add some salt as per taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. High the gas flame and saute them for at least 3 to 4 minutes until the onion gets soft and cooked. It's done. Now let's transfer them into a blending jar. We can also use tomatoes, but I have skipped it because here I will be using tomato chatpata of Knorr and Shahi Garam Masala. Now in a pan, add little oil and put the mixture to it. Add half teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala and 1 teaspoon of Knorr tomato chatpata. You can also add other spices such as mirchi powder or Kashmiree lal mirch powder, jeera powder, etc. and saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water. Mix them well. Now cook them for another 2 minutes. Add some more water if the gravy is too thick. Add salt if it's needed as per taste. Little sugar to balance the chatpataness. And now our gravy is ready. Then add the fried eggs. Add last time using 1 teaspoon of mixed spices. All forms of spices are mixed to it. You can use any spices according to your preference. And here our Chatpata egg curry is ready. You can enjoy with roti or chapati. But I'm having it with dal chawal and the taste is awesome.